But in the long run, even though the fundamental is correct, the approach to it is completely oversimplification. It is a simplistic approach to the overcoming process, and thus is quite often extremely misleading. And the result is we're basically involved in preventing the starvation. We're using the truth to solve problems. And I think many folks in truth become what I call metaphysical hypochondriacs. They're not aware of this. But all they can see the truth as doing for their life is solving problems. So they're always looking for problems to solve. And they never seem to get to the point where they have this tremendous faith in the activity of God within themselves that it completely eliminates problems. So that the person who is a good truth student thinks of the practice of metaphysics as when I eat food, I must bless my digestive system, bless my elimination process, or bless my body so it will take this food properly. So I'm blessing, treating. When you go out for a walk, you bless your feet that you won't have fallen arches, that your corns won't hurt you. You go to work, you're blessing the people around you. You're always blessing, and it's a marvelous thing, of course. This is great. But unfortunately, we're always trying to prevent the starvation, to prevent asphyxiation. We never seem to get that thought, as Jesus expresses, take no thought what you shall eat and what you shall drink. Take no thought that you've got problems looming before you. Get yourself in tune with the dynamic spiritual process which takes care of itself if you keep yourself in perfect peace, if you keep your mind centered in the light.